So here we are at our, what's soon to be our house. And this is a very good sign. The fact that they have these rocks here, because you want to put this at the very bottom of your foundation so you can put all the cement above it. This is the house right here.
I'm kind of confused on where our land is.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be a little different too. I'm a little confused right here. I think they're gonna put another house right here.
I don't think so. I think that's our land.
All the little footings and everything. Bay window. Nice. I mean, you're probably right. I'm sure, like, cause it's a slope. It's definitely a slope down here. So they have to make the back a higher elevation. I mean, look at this as an example. This isn't crazy high, but it has a little bit of like, yeah. Oh yeah. So that's cool. Little like upgrade for us. But I really think a house has to go right here too, though.
Up until that pole over there.
So from this,
Actually, right here.
you see a line?
Like, the way the gravel is, I think.
I guess we're gonna have one heck of a side yard. And I guess so will they.
It might be like a side pole.
Yeah. Which, if you think, okay, where's this flag at? So, if from right here where I'm standing,
Still over there.
back to that flag, and over to the foundation is our side yard, that's crazy.
Look, let me pull up the.
Yeah. I gotta walk over here. The backyard kind of isn't that big, but it is. Okay, so check this out. So let me get you a good view. Okay, so this would be the back of our house. You can see the bay window right there-ish. You see like all the other like plywood they're gonna, pour the concrete on. And that means that actually, hold on, this is huge. This is I can't even, I'm falling over rocks. This sad thing, there was a tree, I want to say like here-ish. It was like a really nice oak tree. Yeah, you can kind of see like the remains of it right there. That's the remains of it. So that kind of sucks that it's gone. We're hoping that we'd get it, but if I am looking at this correctly, maybe that little pink flag right there, maybe that's like where our fence is gonna go. So, because if it goes from that little pink flag to that flag, which is right there-ish, that'll be our other side yard. Whew, okay, this is crazy because I don't really know, but if this is the case, that means from this little flagpole here down to this flag thing right here would be all of us, which means that's a really big side yard, which means it's actually a pretty sizable backyard if you look at where the foundation ends to like the fencing over here where the other little pink flag is area, and then all the way over here. So like I kind of have this dream goal, you can call it, of having like this like mega backyard with a bunch of cool stuff. Everything from like a pool, like a little workout area, basketball court, and it looks like God is making that happen. But actually like blowing my mind because I didn't realize how much space we have right here. Do you see what I'm saying? So like this pink little flag up until pretty much the light post and foundation would be an area to do, and not even including all of this back here. Like, it's insane. So yeah, it's crazy, and I'm just very, very appreciative of what it looks like God could be doing. Now I don't know if that's supposed to be ours over there. I'm not totally sure. I'm gonna ask the wife, ask Lori, ask my honey in a moment, but yeah, we're gonna find out if that's the case or not. Sorry for the video, it's bumpy. I'm like stepping over rocks and stuff. But yeah, this is us, and it backs up to this very beautiful green belt, right? Sun setting. There is a house going up right here, right? That makes sense. Okay. Yeah? Okay, well, if that's the case. All right, so she just confirmed that there's a house going up right there. That's what I thought. Like, that's huge. And that makes me think there's a house going up over there then. Because that wouldn't make sense. Like, if you know basic economics, home builders are in the economics business. So you can't make any more land, right? But you got to utilize the space. So, anyway, still would be a good amount of backyard, even if it went from like here-ish over. I'm sure we can figure out something really cool to do. So I'm not tripping. It's gonna be a very beautiful house, very beautiful area, very blessed, and most importantly, so you get to spend it with, right? And got the wifey right here.
You see that little,
Right.
that's where our property is.
I'm still confused though, because like if you look at it, that doesn't, I mean, it makes sense, but it doesn't make sense. Maybe that pole is not indicative.
Where this pole is, it goes with that pole. So I wonder if that has anything to do with it.
Yeah, but how small will that be? You know what I mean? I feel like,
It's not really a big lot though.
okay, well,
I guess we'll see what happens. Because
Yeah.
I just didn't expect it to be this angle.
right. I was thinking more back this way,
Yeah.
but I mean, it's still really big. It looks like we're on deck to get our foundation poured,
Yeah.
or like at least for them to go to this stage, which is like all the coverings and stuff.
Exactly.
Cool. All right. Vlog over for now.
Hey guys. Oh my gosh. So we are at our new house. There's Daryl.
Howdy.
He vlogs a little bit, showing you around. There's our pile of rocks, pile of gravel. They're gonna start, I don't know if you can see over here, they already started their foundation, and I think we're next. So I cannot believe we are here in San Antonio. We live here. I went missing for like a week or so because I was so sick. Yeah, that's a whole update with like our fertility journey that I need to do. But I'm better now, thank God. But yeah, I was out of commission for a while, and we've been here for how long? Maybe like a week and a half?
Yeah.
2 weeks actually. 2 weeks today, right?
2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks today.
2 weeks today.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're here at our new house. We just wanted to see the progress, and I will put all the stuff that Daryl filmed. But we're so excited. I cannot believe Daryl's over here just exploring as always. There he is. Where is he? Exploring away. Probably trying to figure out how they're building the house. But yeah, guys, we're so excited. We're so excited that you guys are joining us on this new journey. I know it just came out of nowhere, and it really did. We'll probably do a sit down, if we haven't already by now. Do like a sit down of like what just really happened and why we chose to move. And I mean, you guys know that we've been trying to move. We've been wanting to move to San Antonio for a long time now, and God made it happen, and we're so grateful and so appreciative. But yeah, so we hope you guys enjoy our first little vlog at the house. We'll probably be coming over here like a lot because it's just so fun to see the process, and we're just super excited, right, honey?
So excited. Sorry, I had to go, like, we're big see how it's made people.
Yeah.
So I had to go see how they make the foundation and do all that stuff. That was pretty cool.
But we will see you guys in our next vlog.
Yes, we will.
Bye, guys.
See ya. Bye-bye.
That's a beautiful sunset, by the way.
It is. All right. I know it's super windy right now. Need some help? You're good. Okay. Okay, this is our house. This is the other house. They're pretty close together, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, they're pretty close. Don't know if I love that, but this is a big yard, so I mean, trying to use my common sense here and think if they split the difference between this house right here and our house right here, the fence should be here. So we'd have like all of this over here as ours, which is still pretty big. Yeah, it is a lot of space when you think about it. We got the backhoes right there. Let's get on it and finish the job.
This is a big backyard though.
It is a really big backyard because it's still, our truck is still pretty far away from where I am. I'm not even all the way to the back.
Not even including this side.